What is the crack, beautiful people? Today we're going to be making microwave rice. It's the easiest way to cook rice. You can do it in 15 minutes. There's none of that scummy crap at the bottom of the pan that you've got to like start scraping off. None of that nonsense. No oil is required in this, no salt, no nothing, and as controversial as I may be right now, no drama in that. I also do Japanese rice in this as well, so no dishonour to my Japanese brethren out there. It's just the easiest way to do it, and it doesn't really matter as long as it tastes good. Hey! So without further ado, oh yeah, the Indian. If you're going to do it with Indian rice, you might want to add a bit of haldi in there, or turmeric as it's called in the general tongue. Okay, so for the sake of this video, I'm going to be doing 2 portions and an extra bit because I'm a greedy see you next Tuesday. Anyway, right, so 1 cup of rice, 2 cups of rice. You want to give an extra little stip in there. Right, so in theory, that's about the level that you're looking at, and we're going to give that 3 rinses. Okay, giving it a rinse, giving it a stir. You want to exfoliate that shizzle. Literally until the water until the water stops becoming white, which is basically the starch. Now with regards to quantities of water, you want to lay it flat. Now what you're looking for, the secret is, basically it needs to literally be at the top of the knuckle. And so, like top of the middle knuckle, let's say, as long as that's about covered, that's about right. Now follow me to the microwave. What we're going to do, you want to stick that in the microwave on full blast, okay, maximum power. That's it, break everything. Now with my microwave, it's not the most powerful, so I'm going to stick it in there for the sake of the video, because I want to show you the stages. So I'm going to put it in for 10, even though I know it's going to take about 15. So I'm going to put it in there for 10 minutes, and I'll show you what it looks like, and then we'll add it extra minutes if required. One thing that I forgot to mention is make sure that the bowl or glass that you're using is flat. Yeah, first of all, do it in glass. Don't try and do it in plastic. Do it in glass and make sure that it's a flat base so that you can always make sure that you've got the right measurement. I've tried doing it in a rounded bowl and it comes out wrong. So at least with this, you've got like, you know, a level surface. Okay, that should be pinging any second now. 10 minutes have literally passed. Doesn't matter. Okay, look at the steam. Look at the rice. Rice, baby. Okay, so as you can see, give it a dab. If you can hear, there's still a bit of water in there, which I told you there would be. You know you're not too far off now, but whack that in, stick it in for another 3 minutes, and by that point it should be dry enough, but still a bit moist, so you can enjoy it. Okay, so the extra 3 minutes have passed. Look at that. It's steamy. It's fluffy. Look at that, perfect. And at the bottom, no crust, just beautiful rice. Okay, and just to create extra dishes to wash up at the end of it, if you're making like a fancy meal and you want to make it like presentable, transfer it from that into flat dish. Okay, right, how am I going to do this now? I should have thought about this before I attempted. 1 second, please. Right. You got your plate. Oh, yeah, so let it sit in there for like a minute or 2. Turn that upside down. Let it spin. Ta-da! Look at that. You're going to sprinkle some sauce or whatever your imagination can conjure up. And that is how to make beautiful steamed rice in the microwave in 10 minutes. It's fucking amazing.